is the shade Tan Lines. That is something I've never had in my life. Alright, so today I'm going to be doing a try-on haul style video, first impressions kind of thing, using some brand new products at Sephora. I am super excited because I'm actually partnering with Sephora for this video. What? I've been shopping at Sephora since I was 13 years old and was applying makeup with those little sponge things. So it's just really cool to be able to work with them. So thank you to them and thank you to you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. So I'm basically trying on and doing a first impressions of 5 brand new products at Sephora. Hiccups are back. You can use the hashtag new at Sephora to show off your own looks or to check out other people's makeup. I was just looking at it and it's actually a good way to find kind of smaller artists and just see new products and everything. So let's get into it. I hope you guys had a good holiday and spent it with people that you love. I personally watched way too much Vlogmas. Here we go. All right, good morning guys. I've got my coffee. Classic thrift store mug here. Since I mentioned this in a video a couple months ago, every time you guys see one of these in a thrift store, I get snaps about it. So here we go. I'm excited to put this stuff on my face and try it out. So this first product I've actually been trying out for about 2 weeks now because obviously it's hard to do a first impression on like a skincare product. So this is the Sunday Riley Autocorrect Brightening and Depuffing Eye Contour Cream. It says instantly delivers a lifted and depuffed look while reducing the appearance of dark circles and fine lines. So this has caffeine in it, which is supposed to help with the puffiness. And then the horse chestnut flower extract on here is what's supposed to help kind of firm and help out with the wrinkles. And I've been getting more wrinkles down there, let me tell you. I love the packaging of this. I love the silver. It makes me excited to use it. And this does have a pump. You need a really tiny amount of this. I usually just do about that much and that's way enough. So this has a really cool kind of light gold reflective thing to it, which is why I love using this in the morning. It gives you this super pretty kind of glow under there that just brightens up your under eye. And I like using this on days when I don't wear makeup too. It just helps me look more awake because of that kind of reflective thing in there. It feels really nice and moisturizing, doesn't feel like greasy or anything, and it's lightweight, but it still feels like it kind of sets down and gives you that moisture. I like to also kind of bring this into my inner corner a little bit just to brighten it up, and then I'll pull it around kind of underneath my brow too. And this also has lutein in it. Lutein, I think that's how you say it. It's supposed to huge trick. It's supposed to help with the blue light exposure that you get from like your screens and phones. All right, so next up is a kind of cream highlighter product. My skin gets weird with putting any kind of cream on top of products. You guys know I've talked about that in the past. Any kind of cream product just doesn't sit the best for me on top of foundation, even if I haven't powdered yet. If you are going to be using this or any kind of cream product on top of a foundation, make sure that you haven't powdered your face yet. But I also just want to see what this looks like on its own. So this is the Milk Makeup Glitter Stick. It has mango butter, coconut oil, and avocado oil, so it's supposed to kind of like glide on super easily. It's supposed to give you like a multi-glitter kind of look, and you can kind of build it up from sheer to more intense glitter. So let's see, this thing. It has a little top on here I'm gonna take off. It says you can use this thing everywhere, so you can use it on your cheeks, lips, eyes, your body if you're feeling it. So I'm just gonna use my finger, I think, and get a little swirl going. And then apply this with my finger. I first want to try it on my cheekbones. Whoa! They weren't kidding with the glitter. It almost has this like purple reflect to it. There's some like purple, green, blue. So there's definitely actually glitter in there. This isn't something that I would probably wear on like a daily basis, but I think if you're doing some kind of fun look or if you want to do body glitter or something, this would be really fun. All right, moving into the product that I am so excited to try because it sounds like it will be right up my alley. This is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Foil Finger Paints Shadow Palette. Look at this packaging. We all need to take a moment of silence. This is probably one of the most beautiful, intricate palette designs I've ever seen. I mean, look at this freaking beading. This takes me back to days of like beading as a child. Did anyone else do that, or is that an only child thing? It takes me back to my childhood, and it's called Foil Finger Paints, which makes me really excited because you're actually supposed to apply these with your finger, which is how I usually apply my lid shadows. You guys know I feel like you get the best pigmentation that way too. So let's open this bad boy. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to dip into these. So in here you get 3 warm toned foil shadows, and these are supposed to be like liquefied metal kind of shadows. And then this split pan thing right here, these are glitter top coats. You can wear these over eyeshadows or you can wear it on your own if you just want kind of more of a subtle glitter. That's like an oxymoron. You get an iridescent one and then this really cool silver one that almost looks like a gunmetal kind of silver. I just want to put all these on my eyes right now, so I don't know what I'm going to do with this. I'm going to swatch some of these. I haven't dipped my fingers in here at all yet. So let's do Gold Coast This feels so soft. Definitely feels like, oh my god, super pretty. Look at that reflect. That's Gold Coast. Let's do Sailor's Delight, which is this like cranberry red shade. There is Sailor's Delight. That would definitely go well with, I just put on some matte shadows as like a base to get going since all these are foiled. I might put that on the lower lash line. Let's try Sea Glass. Also brings me back to my childhood because my mom and I used to collect beach glass. Ooh. Hold up. We might need to do this one. Heck yeah. Look at that. It almost has like a blue-brown kind of reflect to it. Okay, let's try out these glitter top coats. I don't know if it's just because I accidentally just swatched it with the red underneath there, but look at that color on top of red. That was the iridescent one, so I'm assuming that kind of changes depending on what you put underneath it. But with that red, whoa. I just got this like coppery kind of thing. I want to swatch it with a clean finger to see what it looks like on its own. On its own, it looks like kind of a lighter goldish, greenish. Okay, I gotta use this. All right, I feel very torn right now. I'm literally strategizing how I can try and put all of these on my eyes right now because I just want to play with all of them. That silver glitter is really speaking to me, but I have like gold going on and then this kind of warm look. So I think I'm gonna save that silver one for a shadow and schmooze or something. So I think I'm gonna start out with Sea Glass. These feel literally like butter, have that wet metallic kind of feel. So I'm just gonna put this right on the lid. That is beautiful. You definitely don't need to wet a brush or anything with these. Just use your finger because look at that pigment. I think on kind of the inner corner, just first part of my eye right there, I'm going to use Gold Coast. These are definitely buildable. Like you can kind of layer these and get even crazier pigment. And I'm just kind of blending this into that other shade with my finger. So I'm going to put some on the brush and I'm going to wet this just for right under here so I can get a little bit more of a pop using the brush. So for the lower lash line, I'm going to take Sailor's Delight, this cranberry metallic shade, and I'm just using a liner brush and I'm just going to line the lower lash line. I think I'm also going to use that to kind of line the top a little bit. If you have green eyes, any kind of red or purple to kind of just make them pop. Alright, so I just popped on some lashes and some lower lash line mascara. These are still drying. Let's go in for lipsticks. So I have two lipsticks here by the Sephora collection. These are their Lip Stories lipsticks. This lighter nude shade is the shade Tan Lines. That is something I've never had in my life. Ooh, that looks pretty. I haven't swatched this or anything yet. Don't have a scent at all. It looks like this is a cream. I like how it says it right on here. It's like imprinted into the lipstick. And then this deeper shade is called Wanderlust. This is a matte. Looks like a really deep purpley, has a little bit of brown in there it looks like. Sephora just launched this collection and there are 40 shades in here and these retail for $8. So very good price point on these. There are trendier colors, some metallics, mattes, creams, metallics. Did I say metallics? I said metallics. I'm kind of feeling the nude one today just because I have this like black lace going on. The packaging on here is cool. It's different. It looks like road trip theme or something. Ooh, it has a nice like glossy, look at that. Feels super moisturizing, which is what I need right now because my lips are like peeling. Feels super comfortable on the lips and I like that shade. It's a winner. All right, so this next thing is a perfume. You guys know I'm a perfume hoarder. I think I own like 35 perfumes, literally. They're all up there. The Stella McCartney Peony perfume. Super cute, like what's it called? Raised. This is actually really soothing. It's like raised bumps on here. And when I first heard Peony, I didn't think I was going to be into it because I'm not that into like floral kind of scents. But like I said, I've used this a few times now and I actually really like it. And it doesn't smell anything like I thought it was going to smell. And as soon as I looked at the notes, I knew exactly why I liked this. The notes in here are peony, rose, pepper, and amber. And I am all about any scent that has amber in it. I'm really into like musky, ambery kind of scents. And this smells amazing. Go into a Sephora and smell this. I'm going to spray it on right now. Oh, it smells so good. It smells fresh. It has that like flowery, fresh scent, but then it's still super musky and like sexy. And it could definitely be like a daytime or nighttime kind of perfume. And I guess this perfume was kind of a reinterpretation of one of their past perfumes. It's called Stellan 2 from back in 2006, and so this is their like reinterpretation of it. And they made it kind of more spicy and modern, and I definitely smell the spice. This bottle is also just very gorgeous. Like if you sat this on your shelf, I'll probably sit it back there actually. I'm just really pleasantly surprised by this. So that's everything. Those are kind of my first impressions and thoughts on some new products at Sephora right now. Hope you guys liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I'm actually shocked, by the way, that this lipstick has not transferred onto my teeth this whole time I've been talking. Again, I hope you guys had a good holiday. If you got any gift cards, Sephora gift cards for the holidays, hopefully this gives you some ideas of what you can spend it on. Like always, links to everything I tried out is down below in the description box. Don't forget to use the hashtag #NewAtSephora if you try anything out. If you're new here, you can join the Baby Burrito family and subscribe. I upload every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 6 p.m. Pacific time. I love you guys. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.